Limestone Learning Through Technology video series, using Explain Everything in the classroom. Explain Everything looks like this on your iPad. When you open it, you will be asked to create a new project. Do that by clicking on the plus button. You will be given 4 templates to choose from. I prefer the first one. Your tools are all down the side. Across the bottom, you will have an area to add new slides, sort your slides, record voice, and save. We will talk about saving in part 2 of this series. The tools down the side include a pen. When you click on that, you can choose the width of your pen that you would like to use. By choosing on the color palette at the bottom and holding your finger down, a template of colors will come up. You can then choose the colors that would be suitable for your project. From here, you can use your finger and write on the screen. If you are recording this at the same time, this will come up as a screencast. Underneath of that, you have a Shapes tool. When you click on that, you can use all of these different shapes, which can be used for a multitude of purposes. Adding text is easy. Click on the Text tool. You can then change the font and size. Click anywhere on the white screen, and a text bubble will come up. You can either type it in or talk in your text. Today we are using Explain Everything. If it says what you want it to say, click on the check mark, and you can then move that around with your finger anywhere on the screen. Underneath that, we have the plus tool. From here, you can add any type of file, a video, a photo, or something even from your Dropbox. I'm going to choose existing photo and choose a child's work. I can pull that in and I can crop it. Clicking on the crop tool, I will just drag my finger from one corner to the other. And if I would like to extend that, I will then pull on these tabs to include all of the pieces. I will then click Done. I could edit further from here if I want to, or if I'm happy with it, click Done, and it will put it within Explain Everything for me. From here, if I do not like this, I could click on the X. I need to tell it what I want to erase. So by clicking on the X and then clicking on the shape that I want to get rid of, it puts a perforated line around the outside, and I would click on the X to get rid of it. I could then record my talking, and I would do that by clicking on the red button. We were using structures in grade 1 science. It shows how long I have talked for. If you would like to re-listen to your audio, and if you're not happy with it, you can then click on Replace the existing file and re-record your audio. These are just some of the simple tools to use with Explain Everything. We will get into further tools in the next series. This should get you started.